So if you're looking to get some neck and shoulder red light therapy along with massages, you definitely want to check this out. This does have quite a few different functions. And in this review, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over the quality of the build of this, the ease of the controls, and I also have a little quick start guide here that we're going to go over, and it talks about how you're going to use everything and the different wavelengths that these red light LEDs on the back side actually provide. I noticed right away when I took it out of the box, the material is just actually nice and thick. Everything here is stitched really well, and it's super soft here too. On the back side, this is where we have all our LEDs. We actually have 122 LEDs. Now these are dual wavelength, and I'll get into that in more detail in just a moment. But also, this has Velcro adjustment here, so that way you can put it around your back real easily. Depending on how much you want, you can just put it a little bit here or just kind of move it up too. The controls are right here mounted on the front, super easy to use. We've got 3 buttons. Right here is our charging port. Now once it's fully charged, it does run for right around 4 to 5 hours, and it does come with a charging cord to go ahead and get that charged up for you. To turn this on, we actually have our power button right here. So you're just going to hold that for a couple of seconds. It's going to go ahead and turn on. Right away, we'll see what our battery life is. And you'll notice it's all green. That means it's fully charged. Then of course we got our 3 buttons right here. We'll go ahead and start with this button here on the left. That adjusts our intensity levels and pulse. We actually have 5 different levels. So when you press that, we've got of course P5. I'm going to go through these and just kind of show you the different pulse levels and what they kind of look like. So sometimes we got some fast pulses. Sometimes we don't have any pulses like we got on here. The different intensity. And then if you didn't want any of those on at all, you're just going to go ahead and press it once more, and it's going to be P0. This middle button is actually a timer, so you can have 30 minutes, 20, or 10. Now this is the massage mode. So we've got 3 different levels. We've got level 3, and that's more of a deep massage. This is more of a kind of a daily use soothing massage on level 2. We've got a light massage here. And if you didn't want any massage at all, you can go ahead and just put that on level 0. Now what's great about this is it does have dual wavelengths. We've got 2 different wavelengths for our red light. We've got red light and then also near infrared light. So we've got 660 nanometer red light, which targets your surface skin and upper muscle layers. Then we also have 850 nanometers. That's your near infrared, which is invisible to the eye. And what that's going to do, it's going to penetrate the deeper muscle tissue. So when you do put it on, you're going to just adjust the Velcro right here. And you'll notice this is upside down to you, but for me, when I'm looking at it, I can easily see the controls and the readings here. And you can kind of see what it looks like here on the sides. Now you'll notice this right here is going to be on my neck. This is actually on my bare skin, which is what you want. The LED is not going to really penetrate any clothing, so you want to make sure that any skin is going to be bare. So what you could do, you could wear maybe a tank top with the upper back is actually bare. That way the LEDs are going to go ahead and lay on top of those and penetrate that. That way you're going to make sure it has a really good effect. So it's super easy to use. We've got 3 buttons here. It's got massage and it's dual wavelength. Hope you found this review helpful.